This is a quick before video of this RV. We got some wax, polish. You can actually see a lot of the damaging in this chrome. Gotta bring all this back out. All these water spots. You can see it all. Thing's gonna come out new. Not as damaged on the side as you can see. Front took a beating, but gonna get this done. These are actually all the chemicals we're gonna be using today. High Shine Glaze for the polish. Best Sealant Teflon. Tire dressing for the tires, of course, for the armor. Dry wash for the res to wipe off. Acid. Best for chrome, rims, windows. And of course, wash and wax. Let's do this.